Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sunny. Subscribe कर लो, नहीं लगेगा money. Am I getting better at this? Let me know in the comments below. Today we are going to talk about my top 10 favorite perfumes जो मैं rotation में लगाते रहता हूँ. And there's also two fragrances which I got my hands on recently. मैंने अब तक use भी नहीं किया है. मैं literally इसे कल लेके आया हूँ and I am so excited to talk about it. I'm going to start with the one जो मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से लेना था, Burberry Goddess, and I love this one because first of all look at the packaging. It's luxury है. I love vanilla note वाले fragrances. So first we'll talk about vanilla note वाले fragrances. तो इसमें vanilla है, इसके top, middle and base सारे नोट्स में वनीला है and this is the intense version. That means इसका projection काफ़ी better है. I am not going to like spray this one and show because मुझे waste नहीं करना. This is anyway 30 ml bottle. I will spray and show a few perfume क्योंकि aesthetics नहीं जानी चाहिए ना वीडियो की. So I will do that with my other bottles but not this one. Second newest perfume which is My Way by Armani. You can see my initials here. Top notes में you will notice थोड़े orange, bergamot and इसके base में again you will notice vanilla. Is why I said कि first we'll talk about fragrances that have vanilla notes in it. If you are someone जिसको vanilla बहुत पसंद है तो शायद आपको मेरा collection अच्छा लगेगा. Do let me know in the comments how you like it. It's not sweet, it is not fruity, it's like the right balance. ये तुम easily किसी evening party में पहन के जा सकते हो या तुम day में भी पहन सकते हो. तुम्हें कौन रोक रहा है, तुम्हें कोई नहीं रोक रहा. तो do check this one out. This is available with Tira, with Sephora, with Pacos. So ये आपको easily मिल जाएगा. Third is not a perfume, it's a body mist. इसे तुम नहा सकते हो because the bottle is huge. And it's called Warm Vanilla Sugar by Bath and Body Works. Obviously, like the name suggests, it has sugar, caramelly fragrance and also vanilla. And I just love how it lingers. इसको तुम layer बहुत easily कर सकते हो. Sophisticated sweetness. So this one you should try as a layer on because of course ये mist है तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा time तक नहीं रहता है. But you can always keep spritzing and ये इतना बड़ा bottle आता है. This is I think 200 ml. This is 236 ml. My next perfume was a surprise even for me to find out about this. So Reddit में घूमते घूमते फिरते फिरते पढ़ते पढ़ते मुझे इसके बारे में पता चला जो मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये इतना अच्छा होगा. So this is Bella Vita Honey Oud. And if you like sweet fragrance with a hint of oud जो बहुत ही overpowering ना हो, then this is really economical and smells amazing. In my experience ये बहुत टाइम तक strongly project नहीं करता है, ना ये body पे इतना strongly रहता है. Of course वो linger on करता है. I wanted to gatekeep this honestly because a lot of people don't know about this. But if you love fragrances then Bella Vita Oud will surprise you. We have Armani C. First of all, look how gorgeous this bottle looks. ऐसा सा spray करता है. Love the atomizer and I love the bottle. I love the cap actually, like so elegant. I will quickly tell you about the notes. Top notes are pear, blackcurrant, pink pepper and grapefruit. Middle notes are pineapple, rose, jasmine and base notes are vanilla, patchouli and amberwood. So इसमें even though like इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं but very dominantly you get a little bit of sweetness, little bit of powderiness. It's also fun, it's hot, it's sexy, just like the bottle. So Armani C, this is also I think one of the best seller from the C range because C में दो है. I will show you the next one. This is another variant. This is Armani C EDP, but the first one was red. I really love this bottle. It's super sexy in my opinion. So this one is more vanilla and musk dominated. I'll read this out for you. Musky vanilla forward base with a hint of earthy patchouli keeps the fragrance light yet full, and that is so true. I think the red one is more suitable for evening time, and this one you can wear in the daytime because it's light, it's sweet, it's fresh, it's musky, it's vanilla. I think this is very elegant. This can easily be like your boardroom meeting sort of perfume, like where you can walk in like you own the room and crack the meeting and get that moolah. This is that sort of perfume. I really love how this smells on me because fragrances do smell different on different people. ऐसे मुझे लगता है, मुझे अब मेरे पास इसका रिसर्च पेपर तो है नहीं, but I would suggest whenever you're buying fragrance, do visit the store. Even though you will get like a good discount online, do visit the store, check the perfume in person, and then you can go online and buy from the store if you want to, because stores maybe the best part is you will get samples which you have to ask for. So whenever you go to a store and you really like something, ask for discount. If they don't have discount, they'll give you samples of the same perfume or different perfumes that you may eventually end up liking. कोई लड़का ये देख रहा होगा जिसे सिर्फ लड़कों वाली फ्रेग्रेंस चाहिए, के लिए दिस वन इज अल्फा रोमियो रेड. इसका आई थिंक ब्लू भी आता है. मोस्टली फाइन दिस वन अमेजिंग फॉर लाइक डे वेयर और टू द जिम, और इफ़ यू आर अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट यू कैन वेयर दिस. सो ये काफ़ी टाइम तक रहता है वैसे. एंड इसका डीओ भी आता है बाय द वे. आई गॉट दिस इन अ सेट लाइक EDP एंड द डीओ बॉटल. दिस वन का नोट्स आई विल क्विकली टेल यू. टॉप नोट्स आर पिंक पेपर, पाइनएप्पल एंड सिट्रसेस. हार्ट नोट्स फ्रूट्स. What fruits वो यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, but trust me it's not that fruity. Base notes are tonka bean and amber. So this is very fresh, but not fresh in a aftershave sort of way. This is more sophisticated fresh, जो आप लगा के जाओगे तो like लोग बोलेंगे oh wow, hi handsome. I'm sorry अगर कोई ऐसा ना बोले, but do check this out. This one is also not that expensive. This is Alfa Romeo the car ka fragrance, and I think this is for 1300 or something. You will get this on Tira if I am not wrong. This perfume that I want to suggest. Now this one is from my favorite house of fragrances, Issey Miyake. Look at this bottle. So this one I feel is a perfect summer fragrance क्योंकि इसका नाम ही है Issey Miyake Vetiver EDT or EDT Vetiver EDT. The cap is wooden, which I find so classy, so rustic. इसको देख के मुझे ऐसे समर में खेतों में भागने की फील आती है, और उसका स्मेल भी कुछ वैसा ऐसा ही है. The family is floral fruity, but again this is not as fruity, and this actually stays on for quite a long time. Like ये easily 8 hours तो रह जाता है in my experience. Top notes are peony acrid, heart note white raspberry acrid, and base note cedarwood essence. And the family is floral fruity. It's the symbol of the return of sunny days. मुझे और कोई फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं पता जो इसकी तरह स्मेल करता है. I think this is so Issey Miyake. Like if I'll smell this, I'll know which one it is. I think you can wear this in winter also. कोई आपको आके मारेगा नहीं, but like for me it's a summer fragrance. इसकी बॉटल मेरी फेवरेट है. अगर ये बॉटल ख़त्म भी हो जाएगी तो भी मैं इसे रखूँगा. नॉट लाइक मैंने अदर बॉटल्स नहीं रखे हैं, मैंने काफ़ी परफ्यूम्स की खाली बॉटल भी ऐसी रखे हैं. सो दिस वन इज़ अ वेरी गुड गर्ल. शी इज़ द वेरी गुड गर्ल दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. इफ़ यू आर अ गर्ल, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस गर्ल टू बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. लाइक ट्रस्ट मी, ये एक्चुअली काफ़ी आइकॉनिक फ्रेग्रेंस है. एवरीवन नोज अबाउट दिस वन. तो इसमें गुड गर्ल भी आता है. दिस वन इज़ सो हॉट. So I will quickly tell you about the notes. Top notes are lychee and red currant. Middle note is rose. Base notes are vanilla and vetiver. I feel like this one is such a good collectible. Like you can put this on the table like this. How cool is that? But I'm not keeping that क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा डर लगता है कि दीदी क्लीन करने आएगी और वो कुछ ना कुछ गिरा देगी. My 10th perfume is 1 million gold. This is the new bottle. ये पहले full gold में आता था जो मेरे पास अंदर रखा हुआ है कहीं पे. But this one I got this year. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी इतना यूज़ कर लिया. This one is woody, spicy, ambery, a little bit of musky. This one also stays on you for hours. मुझे इसका थोड़ा सा ये प्रेसिंग वाला सिस्टम इतना मज़ेदार नहीं लगता. लाइक आई हैव टू रियली पुट प्रेशर हियर. So that's one thing which I don't like, but I love the fragrance. Top notes: cardamom, mandarin, bergamot, violet, acrid. Heart notes: rose, absolute, pink peppercorn, cinnamon bark, cedarwood. Bottom notes: sandalwood and kypriol. I don't know what a kypriol is, but in short नहीं समझ में आ रहा का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि अच्छा नहीं है. अच्छा तो बहुत है. And looks also so classy. I think this can also be a really good टेबल एक्सेंट. लाइक यू कैन पुट दिस एंड ये लगे कि ओह तुम्हारे घर में तो IT वाले रेट डाल सकते हैं, तुम इतने अमीर हो, तुम्हारे टेबल पे सोने का ब्रिक रखा है. बट नहीं, जब वो आएंगे वो इसकी स्मेल सूंघेंगे और शायद आपको ही पैसे देके चले जाएंगे, आपसे पैसे नहीं लेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, डू लेट मी नो विच वन यू लाइक in the comments below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. ये वाला बहुत सीरियस हो गया ना, वैसे मैंने बस सोचा कि मैं हमेशा ही ऐसे बकबक नहीं कर सकता, मुझे कुछ तो वैल्यू ऐड बनाना होगा। अब उसमें से आपको वैल्यू मिला है या नहीं, डू लेट मी नो इन द comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.